Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the app and making sure you're signed into the account that holds the photo. This matters because profiles link to specific accounts. Once done, tap the profile or settings icon, often at the top right or in the bottom menu, so you can access editing controls. Make sure the image you want is on your device or accessible in your cloud. It prevents interruptions when you hit upload. If permissions prompt appears, allow photos or storage access so the app can read your picture. Next, tap Edit or Change Photo on your profile screen to open selection options. The app offers Upload, Take Photo, or Select from Library. You choose Upload to pick a file, or Take Photo to capture one now, depending on quality needs. Once selected, use the built-in editor to crop to the required aspect ratio, often square or 16:9, rotate, adjust zoom, and apply basic filters. This ensures the image displays correctly across the app. Make decisions now so you don't repeat steps later. Finally, tap Save or Confirm and wait for the upload to finish. Do not close the app during transfer because incomplete uploads produce blank or old images. After it says Success, navigate back to your profile and other app sections that show your photo to verify consistency. If the change doesn't appear, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, or check file size and format limits. Most apps prefer JPEG or PNG under a specific MB threshold. If still failing, retry with a smaller image.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.